So over here, if I were to go around and let's say, for example, draw a graphics right here, just like this, and I have this particular design. So let's just go ahead and then add another graphics as well, add in a color right here, and then add in, let's say, for example, another shape right here as well. If I were to go ahead and zoom in, you can see that these are vector graphics right here, and they are crisp clear. But this is one of the view modes right here, and it's actually very slow in this view mode. If you want to act quicker, especially when you have a lot of elements, you just want to quickly change around some size of the elements or move them around and want it to act fast, then you can go ahead and utilize different view modes for that. So if I were to go around onto view and go to wireframe mode, now everything like colors and then all the properties are just hidden. So you can see that you got plain outline of the shapes right here. So these are the outlines. Even the pictures that you have, you won't see the detail, but just the outline. So you can go around and quickly work around, and then you can go back onto the enhanced view, which is the default mode right here. But besides that, there are other modes around over here in view as well. For example, there's normal mode. So if I were to really zoom in right here, you can see that the edges are quite soft now. But notice a bit of a change right here when I change the view mode to normal. So if I were to go around and change it to normal, then you can see some jagged edges right here. That is because in the enhanced mode, what happens is that the anti-aliasing for these shapes right here are turned on. You can actually see the pixels right here separated out just like this. So in the normal mode, it's not anti-aliased. But if I were to go around over here onto enhanced, then what happens is that this is much more refined and anti-aliased, but it takes a bit more time to actually go ahead and process and show that for you. So right now, if I were to zoom in, you can see that it is not pixelated. That is because this is a vector graphics right here. But we have actually defined a pixel size right here for this document. So if you were to decide to export this in a bitmap graphics format, then you would see pixel later on. But if you want to see how those pixels will actually look, then you can actually go around onto view and choose pixels. Once you do that, this is what you have. As you can see the pixel preview right here, and as you work around, you can see that now it actually acts like a raster graphics right here, just like this. So it has been divided it out into pixels, but you can go ahead onto enhanced mode right here to get back those crisp views as you want as well. So this is how you can go ahead and then utilize wireframe, normal, enhanced, or pixel mode inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.